A study conducted in 2010 in the US often misrepresented, aligning with the notion that money can't buy happiness and that wealth is the root of all evil. It was said that having more money leads to more problems. However, this is not true. In fact, modern lifestyles demonstrate that money can indeed enhance happiness. In this video, I will explain how money influences happiness. While the study suggested that people with higher incomes do not necessarily experience day-to-day happiness, more recent research has taken a deeper dive into the relationship between wealth and happiness. First, let's explore what wealth and happiness really mean. Financial success is not always what it appears to be. Many people who might seem less affluent or capable are often doing better than we realize. Through strategic investments and smart financial decisions, they steadily build their financial independence. Financial strength does not automatically translate into happiness. True financial freedom means living a comfortable, fearless life. For some, money is not a daily struggle. But for others, long-term goals like buying a home, paying off debt, retiring, or simply going on a nice vacation, financial stability is important for them. In my view, happiness generally increases with income. But it is important to remember that happiness is influenced by many factors beyond just money, like health, meaningful relationships, spirituality, and work-life balance. A person with moderate income can be happier than a wealthy individual who is stressed, lonely, or unhealthy. Let me know your thoughts. How much money do you think contributes to happiness? Share your opinion in the comments section below. Jonathan Clemens, in his book From Here to Financial Happiness, offers 77 short lessons to help you to achieve financial freedom and, in turn, a happier life. According to him, the first step is clearing small debts, as the stress of clearing them can impact your health. Once that is done, the next step is building savings. It is also important to create an emergency fund as a safety net in case you lose your main source of income. Investing wisely is key to securing your future. For that, one of the best options is the stock market, where companies not only share profits but also pay dividends. You don't need to be a financial expert, just choose a strong, successful company for long-term investment. This approach will give you significant returns over time. So, start making long-term wealth-building decisions today. Save money for the future. Whether the results come quickly or later, success is certain. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content.